Hello tout zanmi yo, comment nou ye? Jodi a, mwen pote 15 ekspresyon pou nou. 15 ekspresyon anglais, wap bezwen konnen. Merci a tout moun ki pezeti plus la ki sou foto mwen pou yo abone. Merci a sa yo ki pezeti ke a fevin rouge. Merci surtout a sa yo ki mette video a nan favorites. Pour yo ka retourner la donne, les ou gen besoin. Nous voulons dire aussi merci à tout le monde qui quitte un petit commentaire pour nous, pour capable faire nous green dans nous. Number 1. Try to figure it out. Try to figure it out. Try to figure it out. Essayez de comprendre. Number 2. That's what I've heard. That's what I've heard. Say something, do we? Number 3. Give me some more. Give me some more. Bon plus. Number 4. Watch your head. Rangez tête tout. Watch your head. Number 5. I just got here. Number 6. Say hi to your sister for me. Say hi to your sister for me. Saluez, sola pour moi. Ou bien dis sola hi pour moi. Number 7. I got caught in a traffic jam. I got caught in a traffic jam. Mwen te pran nan blokis. Number 8. My love for you is real. My love for you is real. L'amour pou c'est yon bagay ki réel. Number 9. Get it over with. Get it over with. Si wap travay, bon se dou, get it over with. Sa ve ti li le pou fin fel. Fin fel. Get it over with. Number 10. Do you think so? Est-ce qu'on pense ça? Do you think so? Est-ce qu'on pense ça? Number 11. What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense is this? Qui t'entend ça? Number 12. Is there a theater near you? Is there a theater near you? Est-ce que il y a une salle de cinéma tout près là? Near you, le dit tout près ou bien bon côté. Number 13. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? Qui est-ce qui? Pi bon zanmi. Number 14. What day is today? What day is today? Qui joue jodi a ye? Number 15. When will you retire from your job? When will you retire from your job? Qui lo apre tete nan job ou an? And pour finir, number 16. I bumped into a car in the parking lot. I bumped into a car in the parking lot. Mwen pantan sou yon machine nan terrain kote yo pake. Est-ce que rappelez? Non, pas que. À la prochaine occasion pour une autre vidéo. Bye bye, merci.